Hey there, plant lovers. This is Master Gardener Steve, and I'm making this video for a certain close relative who, unfortunately, struggles to keep anything green prospering and has a serious brown thumb. So if you're like her and struggle to keep any plants alive, don't worry. Today we're going to share 5 virtually unkillable plants that even most plant-challenged persons can keep alive. First up, the snake plant. This hardy succulent is practically indestructible. It can tolerate low light, infrequent watering, and even neglect. It's like the plant equivalent of a cockroach. Next, the Zedy Plant. This slow-growing beauty is another low-maintenance option. It can go weeks without water and thrives in a variety of light conditions. It's the perfect plant for the forgetful gardener. Next, the cast iron plant lives up to its name. It's incredibly tough and can withstand just about anything. It's like the plant version of a superhero. The Pothos plant is a versatile vining plant that can grow in a variety of ways. It's a great choice for beginners because it's easy to care for and can tolerate low light conditions. Finally, the Jade Plant. This succulent is a symbol of good luck and prosperity. It's a relatively easy plant to care for, and it can live for decades with proper care. So there you have it, 5 unkillable plants that even your friend or relative with the brownest of thumbs can keep alive. With a little love and attention, even the most plant-challenged person can enjoy the beauty of indoor greenery. Now go forth and share this video with all the brown thumbs you know.